laziest way to make money online this year is drop servicing. Let me show you. First, go to Fiverr.com. Second, type in podcast video editing into the search bar and click search. So, drop servicing, the way it works is essentially by you reselling services from Fiverr, then putting a margin, 2 to 3 times higher margin. Let me show you now how it works. So as soon as you find a freelancer that you actually think is gonna be good, you gotta be careful. You gotta find people who actually know what they're doing. So this guy, for example, 530 reviews, okay, and 4.9 stars, not bad. Have a look at this guy, 4.9 stars, 651 reviews as well. So these two guys are looking pretty good. Now, once you find somebody that you actually think that probably is gonna be a good choice, right? You want to check how many orders they're currently having. You want to read the descriptions as well, what they can do as well. You want to read the reviews as well, especially go to the negative ones and have a look at why people are leaving those negative reviews. Let's have a look at this one, okay?
Ready for prime time topics being discussed and
it can be a little.
So as you can see, for example, podcasts can be multiple different styles. So it could be like 2 or 3 people talking, right? Using Zoom or Skype, right? And then, for example, the client would send you those 3 videos that your editor has to compile into one video, just like that. Just like that, right? Okay, then you have to put a logo on there as well. And all of this stuff, by the way, would be done exactly by your freelance video editor. You don't have to do any of this. All you gotta do is get a client and explain to your supplier what needs to be done, okay? And then order by clicking continue, add all the requirements in there. And then once everything is done, then you could send the final files to your client. As you can see, this guy is wanting $90 for that. Let's look at this one. So for 60 minutes, this guy's wanting $100, okay? So quite a bit more. Now, what is really important in drop servicing is basically to get suppliers who actually offer a good price. Because if you can imagine, for example, let's just assume you edit 10 podcast videos. The said example before that I showed you at $90, right, versus $100, you would save $100 in 1 month by editing 10 videos using the cheaper supplier. I'm not saying that it always have to be that you're choosing the cheapest supplier, absolutely not. But in this case, it could be a good idea. And that's the thing with Fiverr. There is so many suppliers. As I told you, 11,000 suppliers. So you pretty much have to go through the first, 10 or 20 pages, find the best suppliers at the best price points, and then you're gonna be ready to start making money. Now, how do you actually get clients? Because this sounds really cool. You could say, Tom, this is amazing. That's really cool. I didn't know about drop servicing as a business model. How the heck do I get clients? How do I get clients? How do I get to actually make money with this? Now, when it comes to podcasts, most of the time you're gonna find people who are uploading them on YouTube, right? So you gotta type in podcast into YouTube, okay? And then you're gonna find a lot of people who are actually making podcasts. Now, the most important thing is most of these guys are gonna be absolutely huge. So 6 million subscribers, 2 million subscribers, etc., etc. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to filters, all right? And then you're gonna wanna go to upload date. What this is going to do is going to find smaller channels who are essentially making podcasts and uploading them in the recent time. So 2 hours ago, 300K subscribers, that's pretty good. You could potentially contact people with this level of subscribers. 64,000 subscribers, absolutely possible to contact these guys as well. This is on a big side. As you can see, the channel is also verified. I wouldn't touch it probably. 138K subscribers seems pretty normal to me. 271 seems pretty normal to me. This is very, very huge. So, and how you actually get emails of these people, watch my latest 3 videos. You're gonna find a lot of strategies how to get YouTubers emails. I go through that already. Now, what you need to do then is you finally just need to essentially copy and paste this template into your Gmail. Just create a new Gmail account, bro. Honestly, do not send emails from your personal Gmail. Create a brand new Gmail that you're gonna use for email marketing just in case. Or you can buy email dedicated marketing software to fully automate the process. For example, like Instantly.ai, Lemlist, and similar kind of services. So that's really important that you, bro, of course, also get your own portfolio. And you can get that portfolio by leveraging the work of your suppliers. Just please ask for the permission or find a supplier who's willing to allow you to use their work. Just ask them very nicely and promise that you're gonna bring them clients in exchange of you using their portfolio. Start sending these emails. Once you start getting clients, then the final thing you need to do is you also need to join my drop servicing group on Skool. Skool.com/drop servicing. As you can see, there's a lot of people always posting stuff every single day. I was gonna show you client wins tab as well. As you can see, so many people are posting their wins, how much money they managed to make, how many clients they got, etc., etc. This one is particularly inspiring. $50 web design sold for $600. This is really cool, bro. If you like drop servicing as a business model to make money online, this video is not gonna be enough. This is just scratching the surface for you, okay, to just get your creative juices flowing. But if you actually want to start making money with drop servicing, you need to expand your knowledge way more. So there is two things you can do. You can basically learn yourself and study the topic of drop servicing, right? And one of the best places to do that is to actually watch more of my videos. Have a look here. So on my YouTube channel, as you can see, I've got over 20K subscribers, nearly 100 videos, and pretty much most of the videos are on the topic of drop servicing. All right, so I've been making these videos on drop servicing for over a year now. My channel is pretty much the most established when it comes to drop servicing, all right? And I've also built a huge community on Skool, approaching 2,000 people on there. People are talking about drop servicing every day, all day. There's new posts coming up. So I've also got a second option for you as well. So if you actually want to skip a lot of this hassle of learning drop servicing yourself, doing mistakes and potentially losing money if you do something wrong, or maybe spending months and months and months not actually getting that much progress because you just don't know where to start or what to do exactly, you can skip that with my 3 months drop servicing mentorship. Dozens and dozens and dozens of people have gone through this mentorship in the last year from US, UK, Germany, Portugal, France, United Arab Emirates, etc., etc. If you want to apply, drop me an email in this email and we can talk about it. Thanks for watching this video. Drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.